Hi folks, we're here to do a series of videos on parts replacement and diagnostics of the Chief Steamer. Now, with the 100 machine, which is our most popular machine, I'm going to do the videos with the 100. The 125, the 155 are very similar in the way the machine operates, so it's almost going to be the same thing. It's just the body of this machine we're going to use in these videos. To introduce this, for the longest time, I think with all the other steam manufacturers, this is your machine. Nobody would explain how to take it apart. I think most of the other manufacturers don't want you taking the machine apart. They want it to come back. I've always been different. I think if a part's easy enough to fit, to replace, there's no reason why you need to ship it to me and me spend all day repairing easy stuff. I ship the part to you. I've never wanted to show people the guts of my machine either. If you're the owner of a Chief Steamer, you're eventually going to see the guts of the machine anyway. I realize that these videos now are going to be out there and people are going to see the inside of this machine and possibly how it's built. I'm to the point now where I'm okay with that. I think if somebody tries to copy my design or copy the way I build these machines, we're just going to sue you anyway. So I don't think anybody's going to try and copy it. So I'm okay with showing you the guts. So this is the machine that most people will sell, most people will demo in their videos. Well, we're going to dive in to the inside of the machine and take it a step further. So we're going to get into that in these next upcoming videos, but I also want to make the point that I don't think anybody else does this. So if you're thinking about buying a steam cleaner from one of my competitors, either based on price, based on performance, based on reliability, hopefully based on customer service, you're going to find out that I stand above and beyond most of the other companies because we're going to show you how to fix these machines. And all I always do is say that eventually the machine's going to break and you're going to need to fix it. Then it's how easy it is to fix, how to diagnose it correctly, and how fast can I get you a part and how fast can you fix it to get back in business. So we're going to dive into that. But this intro video, I just wanted to put out there to show that I'm doing this and I don't think any of my other competitors are doing this.